Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Monday morning, August 2nd. We are looking at Window Trader's market profile of SPY, IWM, and Triple Q's new month. Right now, early on, SPY and Triple Q's attempting to gap high today, but let's put things really in perspective and context. Okay, seen a lot of things all weekend on Twitter. Bottom line is this. We are in balance in all three of these indices in the daily and in the weekly for that matter. Until we take out, especially in SPY and ES, if we take out last week's high, I'll consider the weekly up. Otherwise, it's balanced and it's a market waiting for more market-generated information. People, again, will be yelling gap rules apply. Yes, they do, but so do balance rules. Here's your balance. It's a 6-day balance prior to today opening, so it'll be a 7-day balance to start. Until the bigger picture in ES and SPY change, the bulls are still in control. We'll one-time frame it up 9 months. Are we going to take out last month's high early? That remains to be seen. Pre-market volume right now at 75 minutes to go, only 355,000, as once again higher prices are choking off volume. We had a 13-wide POC, perfect POC on Friday, which was a upside destination, is now a downside destination. As far as destinations go, right now that afternoon rally high in I is going to be gone. So we'll still use yesterday's high because there's still 75 minutes to go, of 440.06. Then we have our overnight high of 441.44 and our monthly high. Don't forget, this balance high is now a monthly high, an all-time high of 441.80. For the downside, if we gap higher, we'll use Friday's high of 440.06. Then we don't have anything to our overnight, then we don't have anything to the perfect POC of 438.69. Then our overnight low, which is 5 cents lower than that, of 438.34. And then 437.77, Friday's low, and 437.31, a daily low. So game plan for this morning. Well, again, if the gap is less than $1, you can certainly take a call play because you're going to have higher value against that gap. However, if the gap fills, there's nothing to lean on, and I mean nothing except value high and then down that 13-wide POC until we get more MGI. So if the gap fills, that's all they want to do, that's fine, but I would give myself not much more room unless you see a pretty good tapering to the downside inside of B's range from Friday. That's one call play. Another play on a put play, again, if they are to push up, my overnight high is literally only 36 cents off the all-time monthly high. See if they front run that. I would absolutely take a put play against that and add up to it, including the all-time high, to see if they want to attempt to come out of balance. Hopefully you all know the balance rules by now. So those are really early plays as far as a call play and a put play. Any acceptance into Friday's range, especially into value, you're going to go trade at that wide POC. And basically the same rules apply here in Triple Qs. Depending on the size of the gap, you can take a call play against the gap fill. They do have an 11-wide POC from the 29th, so they are different as far as us. That's a nice visual destination for us. Yes, we were 8 wide, but there's nothing really until the all-time high after our all-time high. And the Russell right now, imbalance but above value as they continue to be the laggards. And then quickly on the chart, just going to show you SPY. I did the whole recap Friday if you want to see all three of these charts. So again, the weekly I was still calling balance. Unless we take out last week's high, it will continue to be balanced. If we take out last week's high, I will go to up. And on the daily, here it is, 6-day balance. Yeah, even though we might try to take out Friday's high, even on a gap, unless we take out the all-time high and get acceptance above it, nothing has changed. Good luck trading today. Have an awesome day, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.